Today I'll show you how to use a mini charger. Firstly, pick up your charger and press the button on the front to open it. Next, grab your hearing aids. You'll see that there's coloured slots on the inside of the charger that you can then match up with the colours on your receiver. Pop the receiver section of your hearing aid into the spot provided and press firmly on the hearing aid to put it in the charger. Repeat this for the other side. Your hearing aid has indicator lights indicating how charged it is. When you see red flashing lights, it has minimal charge. Amber flashing lights means that it has a moderate level of charge, and green flashing lights means that it's almost fully charged. Once you see a solid green light, you're fully charged, and that should take about 3 hours. Before closing the charger, make sure no hearing aid parts are sticking outside of the charger, and close the door. You'll hear a click when you do this. And that's how you use a mini charger. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.